Good morning. So, I am sorry that I have been missing. I've been MIA this week. Work's been a bit busy. Trading's not. I have been glancing at it. But not many setups. I'm gonna start probably doing some videos where I go over. What is this? Yeah, I'm gonna have some videos where I go over the week. I think that'd be beneficial. What's been happening? Instead of just outlooks. But yeah, so we've started very bearish today. This week opened here. We've had a bit of a mess about week. It's not really been in any direction, although we did come into this gap here. The 4 hourly. Okay, so we reacted off this. I think on my weekly outlook, what did it say? Whoa. Okay, so I want it to go up to here. That's not when it started, is it? Friday. Okay, we'll leave that. But yeah, okay, so I did have yeah, I wanted some of these gaps to get filled. It's messed around. It probably could, actually. Like, looking how the week's progressed, the low's been on the Wednesday. This is the high on the Thursday, so we'll retrace up here. I'm not fully sure with the push we've had into that. So, yeah, I would be very, very wary of taking trades in there. So, we're kind of like reacting to a demand here, though. And we'll probably monitor this, see what's happening. Looks like we have had a good push away. But then that's what also throws me the momentum that's pushed into there. So yeah, well, yeah, okay. So I did want to see these gaps get filled. Obviously, we had a good reaction to this, but last night, and I didn't know we had a good push up yesterday, but I'd not really looked at it too much. I think the push came from nothing, really, if I recall. Very hard to get in. Yeah, yesterday was hard to get in. It just pushed up like it just like came out of nowhere. I don't know if it was news or something, but yeah. Okay, so just slightly tapped into this FVG here. If you could say you could cover that entire thing. It could pull back down further into this. Obviously, sometimes if there's a push, if there's a zone, an FPG zone above my demand or supply, or below my supply, I do like to include it. So yeah, ideally, looking at this for me, um, that could be that could have been a trade. That so it's pushed down, it's come down, it's taken all this liquidity. I've had a big push up, but there's just how these candles are forming here. I wouldn't be too sure. But could that be the low of the day? Yeah, I'm not fully sure. We'll just go for this there. Probably not going to take this, but we'll see if that's a trade. Just got to 8 o'clock, so a lot of momentum coming into the market. So yeah, that'd probably be my outlook for today. See if we can take that. If it's going to have, if it's going to follow the weekly cycle. Obviously, the low was on the Wednesday, high on Thursday. The high been on the Thursday and the low been on the Friday is a very low probability. Very low, very low. So we've got the high up here. I mean, it's not impossible. This is the market. I'm just going off what is happening. Overall, we are bullish. We are bullish. We are trending upwards. Obviously, we've had this big push down here. I know I just said that I'll be wary with this push down, but this is um, this is why you do top down. So looking from the higher time frame, a bit wary. That could spook me out as this trade. That's why I'm probably not taking this trade. That is what I think possibly will happen. I think that is the direction that it will follow. Just because following the weekly cycle, looks like it's had a midweek reversal low on the Wednesday, been trending down, low on the Wednesday, broke that, come up, hit this demand, broke above here, and then it might need to take, it's took out some of this liquidity. This things here has swept liquidity. So also nearly hit the average daily range as well. A big move already. I don't know what's going off. I know the government, the US government's back open now, so I don't know if that's gonna. This is like the longest it's ever been shut down, so you don't know how volatile that's gonna make the markets for the next few weeks. But yeah, so I'm gonna say something like that. It's already nearly hit my stop, but I will say if that then gets swept and then supply holds, I'll be looking for something like that. And yeah, I'll wrap it up there, guys, and jump on to EU.